Good Sunday morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me. This is Beach Bum. This is the weather update for Eastern North Carolina, Sunday, January 19th, 2025. And today we're not going to get into a whole lot except for the winter weather coming up ahead. Real quick, this is what the models are showing today. And as we can see, the GFS is now saying that we are not going to see any winter precip here in Eastern North Carolina. Now the CMC, the Icon, the Euro all still show this, but the amount of accumulation has dropped significantly. So let's get into the models. Here is the GFS, and we're going to go ahead and start this on Tuesday, January 21st. And you see here is the storm down here that's supposed to bring us the winter weather down by Texas. And here it comes through. This is Wednesday. And GFS is keeping this going way further south than originally planned. And Wilmington might see some rain, maybe a flurry, but this is not looking very snowy for us, according to the GFS. Run it out, we do have a chance of some ice Thursday into Friday, so we do see the GFS is still showing this little bit of an ice storm coming in. It's only showing between 1/10 of an inch and 1/2 an inch. And then it moves off fairly quickly. So there is what the GFS shows for our upcoming week as far as the possibility of getting snow. Take a look at the CMC. Starting off at the same time on Tuesday, January 21st. Now, the CMC at the same time has this storm a little bit bigger down here by Texas and Alabama than the GFS did. Move it through. Here's Wednesday, and as you can see, we have light snow coming in. It didn't stay very long. This is showing maybe between 1 inch to 3 inches at the most. Move it on through to Friday, and here comes the ice storm. Now, the CMC has this ice storm dropping a lot more ice on us than the GFS did. Right now, this is looking, it could be around 2 to 3 inches of ice, but this is several days out. That could very well change. And there's Saturday. Let's take a look at the Icon. Here's the same system we're watching down here. And here comes the snow. Late Tuesday, early Wednesday. Move it through. Doesn't stay very long. Let me back this back up. And this is showing about the same thing for Eastern North Carolina. Between 1 inch and 3 inches at the most. Let's see if this ice storm still decides to come in on us. And the Icon, as of now, just shows us getting rain Thursday and Friday. We're really going to have to look at that a little bit more, because what our temperatures are going to be, it could very well do something else. There's Saturday. And here we are with the Euro, the same system, Tuesday, January 25th. January 21st, 2025. And the Euro has it coming in on us. The difference is the Euro is showing us more of about 2 to 4 inches. So a little bit more snow coming through. Move it ahead. There's Thursday. Friday. And the Euro just shows us getting a little clip of rain right in the coastal areas. And there's Saturday. So there's what the models are showing as far as snow coming up midweek and ice towards the end of the week. From the National Weather Service today, this is their latest briefing as of 8:38 this morning, January 19th, 2025. They have changed things a little bit. They're still in the high confidence for brutal cold for much upcoming week. There's still a lot of confidence in accumulating snow, but light, not heavy. Some freezing rain could mix in with sleet. Welcome to the South, especially North Carolina. And there's a second icing event possible starting later Thursday. Our threat levels are still about the same as it was last night. And for anybody watching this video on YouTube or Twitter, I will put my link to my Facebook account, and you can find all these graphics from the National Weather Service for the latest briefing in a little bit later on. The probability of snowfall, probabilities for snowfall have trended down the past 24 hours. Highest threat for heavier snowfall is near and east of 17. So yeah, we'll get a little bit more, but it's not going to be near what they were saying to begin with. But these models change all the time. We will have a whole lot more accurate accumulation amount come tomorrow midday afternoon, and I'm going to be on top of that to get that posted for y'all. These are the minor impacts to severe impacts. And just remember, winter driving conditions, you're going to have to use that caution while driving. Do not ride people's butts and give yourselves plenty of time. There will be disruptions to daily life, hazardous driving, closures, and the possibility of the loss of power. Your more major impacts will be up here around Alligator River, the National Wildlife Refuge. So north of the Crystal Coast, there will be some more heavier impacts around Onslow County, some around Carteret County, and Pamlico County. Low temperatures forecast. And you see, we're going to be getting some lows. Could be getting some freezing pipes. Make sure you are fully clothed when you are outside to keep from getting any frostbite. Wind chills, same thing. Don't forget your pets that are outside. And don't get frostbite. Cover every inch of skin you have. Winter storm planning time. If the forecast calls for winter weather, start prepping now. That's a few days out. The day before, forecast accuracy continues to improve. So keep checking. And like I said, by tomorrow, we're going to have a whole lot more better understanding of what accumulation this storm is going to give us. And during and after, remain vigilant and stay informed. Drive only if necessary. And don't ride people's butts. Here's how you need to dress for outside. And for the next week, especially at night, we are going to be here in the extreme cold. You need layers. Same thing for during the day. And I wish we were here. That's where we're at right now. After tomorrow, that changes. The next briefing will be today by 4 p.m. So I will make sure to get those put up on Facebook as well. I'm not going to be doing another video today unless there is a major change in the models. So what we see now is we are going to be having some winter weather 3 out of 4 models. I think the GFS might be wrong, but as the models update as the day goes on and we get into tomorrow, we'll know a little bit more if the GFS catches back up with the other three, or if the other three decide the GFS is correct. We won't know until then. Also, if you've been looking down at the bottom, we are under a hazardous weather outlook. That has been it with all the counties included. So keep checking back for more information. As more details come out, I will be posting them. Everybody just stay warm out there, stay dry out there today, and we will catch y'all later. Have a great day.